Yoho. We're waiting for our order. Wow, we can't do our live because naman. Sigluni. Ali.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
What is side dish? Rice. Give me rice. Wala? Na ano? Sige na, mag-live daw. Okay, so we have the hanging rice. It's so big. We're gonna have 3 each of us. This is rice.
What is your favorite seafood that you look at?
And
Oyster, Sir Craig. That's why.
butter shrimp.
That's why I'm here. Sir Craig. I love
Oyster. Taran! Taran! Nag-live and a beautiful lady. Beef tracker. Look at that. Okay. Sunod. Sunod sa ato ah.
Wala ka nag-robot.
Hoy, thank you. We're gonna eat now, guys. I'm filming also. Let's eat. Uy, hirapan na kami sa kalisod. Our table is packed. It's packed with food because we are big eater. Eat. Wala akong soft drinks, no? We have this is vinegar and chili pepper. Hello, I don't know if we can finish the oyster. Lovelyn can bring it home, guys, so no worries. Thank you, Craig. We thank you, everyone. Greg, Mick, thank you so much. Hanging rice. Yatay sa one. We have plenty of foods. Uy, thank you for the sponsor. Uy, hala. This steam the oyster. Salamat ng tani. Look. Gumay man eh. Little. Let's eat. Lovely. Haman. Ganito ruwat. Apa the red horse? Say red horse. Wala sila ikuan. Wala sila kanang beer. Lason beer. Kasi kamang-kamang ini ulit.
Hi, Filipina Blue Shy. Good afternoon, sister. Good afternoon. Vinegar and chili.
Yeah, no lemon. Vinegar and chili only. Tapos nakaupuyo no, patis. Ako nakapatis na po.
Hindi mo ko ano.
Kana, ito na ko asin.
Hindi ako magsutuloy.
Hindi ka masuka? Hala, sure.
Hindi ko mo. Hindi mo kami ko magsuka.
Hindi ka magsuka? Ako rin dahil magsuka. Saan mo ni mo? Ano na ni mo? Ganahan ko suka.
Thank you, Sir Craig.
Patay, huwag na akong kamot. Hala, it's very delicious. It's very delicious, the oyster. There's no barbecue chicken. Steam rice, yes. Everyone is looking at us, guys. Pilipinas is coming in the face. Nice. We just use hands. Big eater. Malayo kayo ka. Lagyan na dyan itong puso. Dalo na yun. Higtikom.
May vlog.
Hello?
Vlog the viewers.
Sabi ko nga yung viewers. Naman eh. No, it's not chicken chester. That was oyster. This is oyster. And the other one is, this one is shrimp. But the shrimp had a shell.
Do you find bird in oyster? Kinaano sila niluluto. Tama sila.
Naman.
I don't know after us. Baka sila bird.
Wala may pearl ang oyster. Guro. Nadi ay.
May
Manginhas na mi sa una.
ng oyster na lighter. Kato bitang naasa ko ng mga video-video. Tapos yung oyster na. Tapos yung oyster.
Sa lawod na guro, no?
Hotdog na pagkasama.
They are wondering where the other 6 people. I don't think I have ever had an oyster. But it's very good. That's Lavlin's favorite seafood. Me, my favorite is
Pero kung
shrimp.
kasi ka na bitang bigyan sa maluto, ma'am din ang ganansis ka na din, bitang ka sa maluto.
It's okay, sister. Oh, we're finished eating, guys. So we never finished the food. We're gonna bring it home. Bring it home. This is the face of camera ni full. We're full.
Ano, mabalhin rasa na siya.
Tim yung sa Labahan Bangus. Bring home. Whenever finish, we have take out.
Take out.
Kagamay raman guro na sis. Gamay ra na ba? Dili mo punaan. Kanindot og view. SM. CR ta? Ada rin CR. Kung ano, nailog ko. Wala rin. Magkasinabot.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the
We're in the mirror. We're walking in the mall. Moses. Where's your order? What did we do? Mango. Just got one scoop, 60 pesos. Oh, mango for me, melon for Lovelyn. Charot. Eating right now, enjoying our ice cream. Cheers! Okay, so this is outside of SM City Consolacion. Here in Consolacion, yeah, here in Cebu. This is just a 2-floor mall. It's just smaller compared to the biggest SM. So we're here outside right now, heading home already. So that's all for today.